out to the garden. I wanted to do an open-air concert, but we'll all get wet with this storm. I think we'd better stay in until it stops raining. If you want, I can make us some cupcakes for tea. Yes, you're the best, Connie. Thank you, Lala, for helping me make the cupcakes. Yours are always so good. Well, now we just have to mix everything and put them in the oven. Great. When the cupcakes are ready, we can watch a film in the living room. Oh, because of the storm, we've got a power cut. Now we can't watch the film. And we can't bake the cupcakes. What can we do? Is there no electricity here too? I think I feel a bit scared. Don't worry, Dottie. It's only a storm. Oh, what a fright! I hope the lights come back on soon. I think now I'm the one who's scared. Don't worry, I'll fix it. Look, up here in the attic is the switch that turns the electricity on for the house. Well, I don't think it's working. Did the lightning break it? That's scary. I don't think it's broken. If we flip the switch, maybe the lights will come on. It's stuck. Can you help me? Come on, we all have to pull together. 1, 2, and 3. Well done, Nala. You're so brave. I couldn't have done it without you guys. What a cool cinema. I'm not afraid of the storm anymore. Great. Let's start the film. Wait a moment. The cupcakes are ready. Do you want some? Yes.